Hey traders, it's Jeffrey from Ninjacators again. Today I'm going to show you how you could have made around 750 bucks this morning waiting for the news release, watching the market just as it was coming into the time of the news release, anticipating which trades to take. We're going to trade the NASDAQ and the gold futures at the same time because they trade inversely. When the news is positive for the U.S. economy, indexes go up and gold goes down. If the news is negative, indexes are expected to go down and gold goes up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the markets first. Starting around 8 o'clock, you can see the buyers are in control, and we've got golden reversal lines that you can follow on one of my strategies. If you go to Ninjacators.com, we're looking for longs when they break through the green golden reversal line to the upside, or shorts when they break below. We don't know which way it's going to break yet. We're going to wait for the news to give us an idea. Same thing for gold. So far we've got a green golden reversal line, and if we're looking for a long, we'd want to see it break through or bounce off and go south. Okay, right now it looks like the sellers are in control. This is the bid-ask momentum indicator, also one of Ninjacators' indicators that have algorithms that follow when buyers are stepping in and when sellers are stepping in. So let's go ahead and see what the news report is going to look like. And right now we see that the news is about to come out. The news is going to be positive for the indexes or the U.S. economy, which means negative for gold. So we're going to be looking for longs on the NASDAQ and shorts on gold. We are not going to trade until that first minute bar closes. When the news hits, you're going to see a very volatile bar. We're going to wait for that one to close. And that's our 8:30 bar. Boom. It comes down and up and down both on gold and NASDAQ. We want to wait for everything to shake out a little bit and see how the bar looks after the first bar. Right now it looks like sellers are in control. Unlikely based on the news, so we're just seeing a lot of orders getting filled. Do not rely on the 8:30 bar. Now we're looking in to see what's going on. We're on the 831 bar. Momentum is slowing down a little bit on NASDAQ. On gold, we're going to put a limit order right below the golden reversal line. We're going to use that as an area of resistance to bounce off of. Sellers are very strongly in control on gold. So we're looking for a short on gold and wait for our limit order to be filled. And we're looking for a long on the NASDAQ, but we're going to wait to break that golden reversal line. That's it. And we're filled on our gold. Not quite through on NASDAQ yet. Still waiting. And we'd like to see that bid-ask momentum turn green and go positive as well. Looks like it's going to happen. And we're slowly working our way up, and there we go. So we are in with that breakthrough. Looking for our first target right at the edge of the next zone. Bid-ask momentum is slowing down, and I anticipate it to go green and positive any moment. And there we go, green positive. Hit our first target right away, move up to stop loss, and we'll try to capture as much as we can by pushing it up to the next zone. Buyers are strongly in control. On gold, our sellers are still in control. Let's hang tight. And we'll capture as much profit as we can on NASDAQ. Gold is now in the money. Sellers are strongly in control. And looks like we got just a bit of a bump on our NASDAQ, but we'll take it. And close that one out for about 300, 350. Waiting for gold to finish off in the 400s. And we just about ready to hit that first. Okay, our first target on gold. Moved down past break even a little bit. And we're out on gold. So there you have it, traders. 2 trades simultaneously, understanding what the news means. These were jobless claims, very strongly positive, about a 20,000 claim difference from the forecast. That helps drive the markets within just a few minutes. These are very short-term scalps. Practice them. Download your data, do it in replay, try it a few times, look for other news reports, and this is how you can get in and out of the market with a couple of quick trades before the market even opens. That's it, traders. We'll see you the next time.